Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Pontiac GTO hardtop. This car I filmed at a car show that I went to in Weatherford, Oklahoma, which was right off the I-40. And it was a real nice car. It was restored, had the Endura bumper, the optional Hideaway headlights. I believe it's the standard 400 engine, the 350 horsepower with a 4-speed, and was in nice maroon color with the red interior, which is a good combination. And it looked to be probably a ground up restoration done on the car. It was a real nice car, and this show had quite a few nice cars in it, which I've been featuring lately, and which is surprising because, like I said, it's just a small town in Oklahoma, about 12,000 people, but they sure have some nice cars there, that's for sure. And anyway, as far as the GTO, that was the second generation 1968 for the GTO. This one had the Endura bumper, like I said, and the Hideaway headlights, which were a popular option for the car, and they came standard with Redline tires, which was neat. It was also the Motor Trend's Car of the Year for 1968. So that was nice, and that helped the sales on them. I think it was still the top-selling muscle car in 1968. So, but anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Pontiac GTO 400 with a 4-speed. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.